Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import and export contacts in Outlook on the web and on the application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've opened up Microsoft Outlook, and from here on the left hand side we've got different tabs. So we want to go ahead and click on the People tab. And then on the right, you're going to see all your contacts inside of here. Now, in order to import and export, on the top right, we've got these different tabs. We've got Manage Contacts, so we can import contacts from other apps or create file and export to other apps. So click the drop down menu so we can either import contacts. So if you got your contacts saved on your computer, go ahead and click on Browse and find your contacts. Now, I'll go quickly show you how to do this. So I'm going to export contacts from this folder. I'm going to export this. It's going to export it as a .csv into my downloads. Now if I want to go ahead and import, I'm going to click import, upload your CSV file, click browse. Now I'm going to go to downloads, and here it is here. Click onto that and click on import. So that's how you do it on the Microsoft application. Now the next way is using the web version outlook.live.com. So it's a similar process. So sign into your account, go ahead and click onto people. Now from here, you can see my contacts. On the top right, we've got Manage Contacts. We can go ahead and hit the import and export contacts again.